Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Priya Gulati Maths. In this video, today I am going to solve a very important question from previous year 2013 board exam from chapter quadratic equation. So let us come to the question. Solve by factorization method. The equation is 1 upon 2a plus b plus 2x equals to 1 upon 2a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon 2x. The first thing which we have to understand in this equation is that a and b, these are constants. The only variable is x because quadratic equation has only one variable in it. In this equation, the variable is x. So what I will do, the terms which are containing x in them, I will bring those terms on one side. So this is the term having x in it, this is another term having x in it. So I will bring this 1 upon 2x on the left side. So in the first step I bring it on the left side 1 upon 2x, and these two terms a and b are constants. So these two terms as a whole, they are constants. So I keep them on the right side itself. Now what I will do, in order to combine these two terms, I will take the LCM. We have to subtract these two terms. LCM I will take from the denominator the same way as we do in the addition and subtraction of fraction. So what is the LCM of this denominator and this denominator? Simply the product of these two denominators. So I write the LCM as 2x into 2a plus b plus 2x. Now what next I will do? This LCM divide by denominator of first term. So when I divide, this 2a plus b plus 2x will get cancelled with 2a plus b plus 2x. So what will remain? 2x will remain. That 2x will get multiplied with numerator. So 2x into 1 will give you 2x. So this is from first term. Minus minus. Similarly, this again the LCM divided by the denominator of the second term. So when I will divide, the 2x will get cancelled, 2a plus b plus 2x will remain, and it will get multiplied with 1. So what you will get? 2a plus b plus 2x bracket mein, right? Similarly, come to the right side. Again I have to add these two terms, so I will take the LCM of the denominator. So LCM of 2a and b will be simply the product of 2a and b. So I write 2ab. Now LCM divide by denominator of first term. So when I divide it, 2a will get cancelled, b will remain. B will get multiplied with the numerator 1. So b into 1 gives you b. Next term plus 2ab divided by b. b gets cancelled, 2a will remain. 2a will get multiplied with 1. So you get 2a. So this is your right side. Now in the next step, what I will do, I will open this bracket. So I will get 2x, open the bracket, 2x minus 2a minus b minus 2x, and denominator is as it is. Similarly, right side will remain as it is. Now what do you see in the next step? This is 2x plus sign and this is 2x in the minus sign. So it will give you 0. So I can show it by simply cancelling these two terms, right? And denominator as it is, and right side is also as it is. Now next step mein what I will do, these two terms have become 0. So you have minus 2a minus b in the numerator. So I can take out minus sign outside the bracket, and inside I will write down these two terms in the plus sign. So 2a plus b I can write this way, and denominator is as it is. Come to the right side. Now this is simply I have reversed their order, 2a plus b upon 2ab. Now what do you see in the LHS and RHS? This is 2a plus b. This can also be written as minus 1. I can write 1 always here. And 2a plus b will get cancelled with 2a plus b. This I can again write it as into 1 also, right? So 2a plus 1 gets cancelled with 2a plus 1. So denominator is as it is, both the sides. So what you will remain with in the next step? Minus 1 in the numerator, denominator as it is. Right side mein plus 1 in the numerator, and denominator is 2ab. So after cancelling out, you will get this type of expression. Now what I will do, we will do cross multiplication. Bring this on this side, 2ab will come in the numerator. So in the next step, how will I write? Minus 1 into 2ab will give you minus 2ab, and the other side will become 2x into 2a plus b plus 2x. Now what next? This left side is as it is, open the bracket. 2x into 2a, 4ax, plus 2x into b, 2bx, plus 2x into 2x, 4x square, right? Now I will bring this left side term on the right side. So it will become 4ax, 2bx, 4x square, and this I have brought on the right side, so it will become plus 2ab. What remains here? 0. So equals to 0, right? Now in the next step, I will take out, because I have to do this question by factorization method. So what you will see now, in the first two term and in the third and fourth term, you will have to take out something common. So what you see in the first two terms, 4x, 4x is common. So I take out 4x common. So what remains from here? X. What remains from this second term? A. So I write x plus A. Come to the next two terms. What is common in these two terms? 2b. So 2b you take out. What remains from here? X. And what remains from here? A. So bracket x plus A equals to 0. Next step, this is first term plus this is second term. So what is common in first and second term? X plus A you can see common. So I take out x plus A common. So bracket mein what remains from here? 4x plus what remains from second term? 2b equals to 0. Now this is the product of two terms, x plus A into 4x plus 2b equals to 0. When the product of two terms is 0, either the first term is 0 or the second term is 0. So I write x plus A equals to 0, which gives you x equals to minus A. Or 4x plus 2b is 0. From here I will isolate x, solve for x. 4x equals to minus 2b, so x will be equals to minus 2b upon 4. So finally I obtain, you can cancel this, 2 2s are, so you will get, this is 2. If you cancel it out, you will get 2 here. So in the next step, cancel it out, you will get minus b by 2. So this is your one answer, this is your second answer. So I write down both the answers together. The solving by factorization means you have to find the value of x. So x equals to either minus a comma minus b upon 2. I hope you have understood this question. Bye bye.